Well, I don't know why we're always surprised when it happens, but April the 21st, spring snowstorm, southern Manitoba. They really aren't that uncommon, but they just seem to be such a friggin' pain in the ass when they happen. It just throws everything off. It's almost like Mother Nature gives you a little bitty taste of spring and then just yanks that carpet right out from underneath you. So, yeah, we had travel plans today. We had lots of plans going on, cancellations all over the place. April 21st, 2023, Mother Nature, you really friggin' suck. I was really hoping not to have to be doing this anymore. Stoking the stove. Is that the look of frustration?